Hi, my name is Jerri Goshien, and this is my center for the low-level readers. We have read the book The Rainbow Fish by Mark Pfister, and they are now going to go to their centers to do their activity. When they get to the center, they'll find everything they need in this bag. That was a suggestion by Shelley Gray in her video Organizing Classroom Learning Centers. It was a great suggestion to have everything that the students need in this bag that they would need for this activity. That way they can just get there and start getting it done. They don't have to search for materials or anything, so everything will be in the bag. The first thing that we're going to pull out are the instructions. So here, excuse me, here would be the instructions for the class, for the center, and they state, go to the audio center and listen to the rainbow fish as you follow along in the book. 2, each student is to take a worksheet out of the bag and write your name on the top. 3, in the correct boxes on the worksheet, draw a rainbow fish in the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. 4, after you have drawn the picture, write under each picture explaining what you drew or how rainbow fish felt during that part of the story. 5, turn your worksheet in the basket in the center's table. 6, make sure all unused materials are returned to the bag for the next group. So the first thing they're going to do is go to the audio center and listen to the book again. We have already read it in class, but this gives them a chance to actually see, touch, feel the book, because I would like for them to have the book as they listen to it so they can follow along. So that gives them another reading of the book, and it gives them some hands-on looking at the pictures. So when they go to the center, we're back over to the center, they're going to pull out this worksheet, and it has a place for the name, and it has a box for the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, the end of the story, and it has lines under each one. So they are going to draw a rainbow fish at the beginning, maybe by himself, in the middle, possibly talking to the octopus, and at the end with other fish, perhaps. These could vary depending on how the student felt about the beginning, middle of the story. And then after that, they're going to draw the picture. They can draw all 3 pictures, or they can draw the picture and then write before they write their sentences, however they want to do it. Just a simple sentence, such as rainbow fish is lonely, rainbow fish gets advice from the octopus, or rainbow fish has many friends. Just one simple sentence to show what they are, to explain what they drew. I did this activity based on Pat Wolf's brain research thinking maps video, in which we are told that people, especially students, are very visual learners, and it helps them to see or maybe even draw out what they are thinking. So I figure if they can express what they felt through the book in a picture, then that would they would do better than just trying to write it out or answer a question. So after they turn it in, I will collect it and grade it on the rubric. The rubric has 4 areas in which they are to be graded. Number 1 is listening skills, and that would be how well that they were able to listen to the book and follow along, meaning did they actually stay there and listen, or did they get up and wander, or did they start doodling or get off task. Number 2, following directions. Did they follow all the directions they were supposed to? The third one is drawing content. That would be to, see if they roughly drew the right picture in the right box. I mean, if they drew rainbow fish with the octopus in the first box, that's not really the beginning of the story. So there's a little guideline of where they can draw what in those boxes. And the last one is sentence grammar. In 2nd grade, I'm hoping that they can write 1 sentence. So I think they can. So this would be just to check to see if they have their writing skills. So it gives them a little practice with their writing skills as long as they're reading comprehension. The standard I am using for this one is LAFS 2 SL25, and it says create audio recordings of stories or poems, add drawings or other visual displays to stories or recounts of experiences when appropriate to clarify ideas, thoughts, and feelings. So this basically, they're making drawings to express their thoughts or feelings about the different parts of the story. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.